Gurudev lived 2010. That year, Gurudev came to India. First he went Russia or other countries, then USA, America, Houston. After then Gurudev came. Gurudev was a little sick. In America, in Houston, doctor checked, cannot find, but give him medicine, something, okay, feeling better. Then Gurudev came in German. There also same things. Anyone cannot find what happening, what is going on. After then Gurudev came in India. First time Gurudev told, what happening, I can't understand, my stomach pain, painful stomach. What is going on, what is problem? That time Gurudev came in Govardhan. I met with Gurudev. Janmashtami time he cannot come. Radhashtami also. Then Gurudev told, my stomach is pain. Gurudev told, I am reading. You are writing books, Srimad Bhagavatam. Already I complete 56th chapter, 10th canto. Again my health will be right. Then I am reading books. I am very happy. What you are writing, I never take out, but only Rasmajadhai. First verse, you wrote 56 pages. Then I thought, oh, this is only one verse and 56 pages. I was surprised. Then I was very happy. Then I want to make short. In this way, 4 pages I take out and little take out. But I am very happy what you write. So in this way, I am very glad. After then, I have gone to USA, America. So I live in San Francisco with Bishambar Prabhu, his house. Bishambar Prabhu told, Gurudev health is no good, little down. So this time, Bejar temple, we are managing, we are watching. So their mortgage, Gurudev not giving. So Gurudev not taking care, we are taking care. We are serving. Also we are going there, you can come with me. We want to do one fire sacrifice for Gurudev. Gurudev health will be right. In this way you can pray and do yajna. Then I have gone. We did yajna. We prayed. Anyhow, Gurudev health will be okay. We did yajna there. After then, I have seen one dream. In the dream I am watching Gurudev going. Last time Gurudev going from Jagannath Puri, from Chakratirtha Gaudiya Math, Radha Damodar Gaudiya Math, from Chakratirtha. Gurudev going and come in bank of ocean. There have one big ship, very big ship, but nobody there, empty. Gurudev came in the ship and sit there. Then I thought, what happened? Why Gurudev came? What he is doing? That time I came inside. I sit with Gurudev. Gurudev, where are you going? But he was silent, not speaking. At that time, I sit there, ask more, where are you going? Where are you going? Why you alone? I cannot find to anyone, any other servant, sevak. That time I see his backside, 4-5 persons standing, only shadow, no body. Who is this? Shadow spoke me. Gurudev going to south direction. South direction means this is no good. Last time, anyone speaking going south direction. Means finished. When time finishes, then going. I can't understand. I asked to them, Gurudev going Malaysia, Singapore, Bali, Java, Sumatra, Indonesia, Australia, New Zealand, Fiji, where is going? But they are not speaking. Quiet. Then I sit there, okay, I am going with Gurudev. So then, ship already running, maximum 2 hours, very fast running. After then ship coming on the back, a bank. When coming bank, then I thought, who is coming? So why ship coming bank? Why stop? Who is coming there? I will see. Then I came out on the ship, on the top. Already they gave one passage, one place, straps. So one girl come in. Girl is very beautiful, very white color. I mean golden color. A very beautiful girl, thin body, and wearing sarees, one blue color sarees, and coming to the ship. Then I thought, oh, one girl coming. For her, this ship coming. What happening? Why one girl coming? Okay, she came near and going inside. Going there. Then I thought, okay, very beautiful girl, golden color, wearing sarees, green color, in this way going inside. Okay, no problem. After then I thought, oh, I am very thirsty. How can I drink water? I cannot find water here. I thought maybe I am going to bank, ocean bank, then I can drink water. In this way I came down. So I am drinking water. That time I thought, oh, what happening? I can see. When I have seen in the back, then too much hype or babes come. Very dangerous, very fearful. Then I thought, what happening? What is this? After that, then ship going fast. No stop. Ship going direct in the middle ocean. Then I am crying, oh, come back, I am going. But not coming. Already gone. Long distance gone. After then disappeared. Ship, also Gurudev, everyone disappeared, not seen. Then I woke up. I told to Damodar. He served me that time. I spoke, Damu, big sarvanas. Big problem come. Gurudev going from Jagannath Puri. I have seen this last dream. I have seen so many dreams. But today I have seen dream. This is very bad thing. Gurudev going from Jagannath Puri. Very soon going. That time, so Brajanath Puri always sending update, so many update. Gurudev health is no good, going down, going down, going down. In this way. Then I told, I spoke with Madhav Maharaj to Delhi. Oh, I have seen this Gurudev going from Jagannath Puri. Madam Maharaj told, why cannot sleep more? Then I told, how can sleep? Not possible. That time I found there this matter. After then very quickly I came to San Francisco, Houston, Houston to New York, New York to England. 2-3 days, so I came England. One Lalit Mohan Prabhu is serving to Bon Maharaj, living with him. I have gone to Lalit Mohan Prabhu house in England, in Birmingham. I did fire sacrifice there that day. His house have fire sacrifice. Then his wife Lalita, she told me, why you are living here? Why are you preaching here? Why you coming? Because Gurudev, health is no good, you must go return. You can't understand why you are coming. Who sent to you? You don't know? Gurudev health is going down. In this time, so what is saying, what is not saying, so you must stay with Gurudev. Go there. Then I told Didi, I understand your message, what you are saying. I have gone to Ashram Maharaj temple. In night time, 12 o'clock, I called to Brajanath Puri. I told my mind is very upset. I am coming back to India. How can come? After 21 days, you have ticket. Brajanath Puri told, if you return, change ticket, then half money going. Buying new ticket, too much money. 2 persons, you are coming from England, so too much fear. So in this way, should be careful. So first you can try in airport, go to airport, try there. If change ticket, then this money, so you can come. Otherwise, buy new ticket. I told, okay. In the early morning, 5 o'clock, then I came out. One Prabhuji take me to London, Heathrow airport. Only 2 hours, Birmingham to Heathrow. 2 hours. 5 o'clock start, 7 o'clock evening in airport. So I am not going to customer service. Only we are giving boarding card, so I have gone there. I request to him, oh, my father have problem, health problem, so I want to go return to England, India. So how is possible? Please give me chance. Then he told, this flight after 20 minutes, so going. This flight going after 20 minutes in the morning. But here have only 1 seat. Then I told, okay, give me chance, 1 ticket. Then next time he is coming. That time he told, okay, I am watching. At once he told, so 2 tickets already booked this flight. How is possible? Because already after 21 days, but here, book. At once he is giving boarding card. Then run away. Very fast running. Come inside the gate. That time will be closed. Door will be closed. So very fast going inside. And at that time they close the door. So came inside in the flight. Then I came in India here. So I met with Gurudev. Mother Maharaj told, don't cry. You chant mantra. That time I chant mantra every day. Narayan Kavach. So Gurudev, slowly feeling better. Then I told, I am doing parikram, I can start parikram. Then so many people come in. They are going to parikram. They will be busy in parikram. And then sometimes any problem, any matter come in. Then they are coming. So I can serve to them, manage to them. In this way I came in parikram, start parikram from Mathura. After Mathura to Vrindavan. When I came in Vrindavan that time, Ramchandra Prabhu told, Gurudev age is finished. No age. Some astrologer devotees, he told, Gurudev age is finished. So Gurudev leave him automatically. Only his desire. Anytime he is going. When he has desire, so he is going. Cannot stop him. But if in this time, someone giving 2 months age to him, 2 months, only 2 months, then Gurudev will stay 2 months. Ramchandra Prabhu told. And only sannyasis they are giving, no other persons. Then I told, okay, I am coming. In night time after prasada, so in night time, Bon Maharaj, myself, and maybe Uma Didi came. In this way we are coming. We came in night time in Janakpuri, Raman Bihari Gaudiya Math. In night time stay there. Early morning we came to Gurudev. That time we took rice, yellow rice, we chant mantra and Sankalpa mantra we chant. We are giving 2 months age to you, please accept. In this way we spoke to Gurudev and gave him rice, his hand. What happening? What is doing? Then we gave some Ekadasi fruit, so many things. So Gurudev health will be okay. In this way we gave. After then I came to Vrindavan, managing the Parikrama management. That time Premanand was not coming. Who is helping? Nobody. I am alone. But no problem. But we everything. In this way we did Parikrama. So Gurudev wants to come in Vrindavan, but that time very dust. Road working, too much dust. Madhav Maharaj told, in this time I am not going. We are going to Govardhan. So in this way, Gurudev came in Govardhan, here, in the Bhajan Kuti, live here. Every day coming and going, always taking care. Many days, astrologer told, very careful. Then I came whole night. I am sitting with Gurudev, with chair, chanting mantra. Translate, chant mantra. Whole night chant Narayan Kavach. Chanting, nursing mantra, Narayan Kavach. In this way, chanting whole night. Not sleep. Because dangerous time, Gurudev any time going. If touch, not going. No touch, at once going. In this way, anyone cannot go. When touch him, not going. When left hand, then going. This is matter in Bhagavatam book. So touched to Gurudev and chanting mantra all night in this way, so many nights passed. After then, last time, so Amalpur and Madhapriya Prabhu, they prepare one book, Bhagavatam. Gurudev desired, he wants to see Srimad Bhagavatam. Then they brought one piece Bhagavatam first and gave to me and to Gurudev. And we came. When I gave Bhagavatam to Gurudev, Gurudev told, okay, I am sitting. That time, so Gurudev sit. That time told, okay, came down. Then I make down. That time Gurudev took this book, keep on my head. That time Gurudev spoke. Gurudev spoke to me. You write these books. I gave order to you. You are writing these books. I am very satisfied. I read 56 chapters. So I am very happy. No any mistake. Everything good. So I am very happy. You can write these books non-stop. In your life, you can do this. And I need complete Srimad Bhagavatam. Complete Srimad Bhagavatam. In this way you can write. Other things, 3P, publication and parikrama and preaching. You are doing. Any problems come, anyone not helping you, but you don't worry. Never be stop. 3P, college can do. So Gurudev spoke. You can try. Anyone help him or not help him, you don't worry, don't be hopeless. You must do. Gurudev prayed. Gurudev spoke. So, you are writing these books. Everyone will be happy from this book. So, you don't worry. Then his blessings to us. In this way, Gurudev desired, Gurudev spoke. After Purnima, Ras Purnima, Vrat complete. Next day morning I came to Gurudev of Purnam. Gurudev asked me, when are you going to Bengal Prachar? I told, after 2 days I am going to Bengal. Gurudev told, your ticket is ready? Yes, I have ready. How many tickets? 30 tickets, 30 persons going. Gurudev told, oh, everyone going? I am going to Bengal. I am going to Navadvip. I will stay there. I told, okay. Very funny. Gurudev, this time winter season, very cold in Bengal, but Jagannath Puri is very good, very suitable place. Chakratirtha Gaudiya Math, you can stay there. Very big room, and outside you can a little walk there, and full oxygen, ocean, near ocean. So in this way, winter season will be good for you. Gurudev told, okay, you spoke right. I am going to Jagannath Puri. That time I forgot. Before that things I forgot. I spoke to Gurudev. So Jagannath Puri is very nice. you are going there. Then Gurudev called to Madhav Maharaj, should be ready, prepare. I am going to Jagannath Puri. Call to ambulance. Then Madhav Maharaj told me, hey, what do you speak? So Gurudev said, going to Jagannath Puri. At that time, all day prepare that things. In the evening, ambulance came. Then Gurudev went to Delhi to check up. After then, going to Jagannath Puri. So last time Gurudev stayed there and he went from Jagannath Puri. Same thing. So first I have seen dream. So Gurudev going from there. So already he went from there.